Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get excellent throws in Pokémon Go. Achieving excellent throws is a fantastic way to earn extra experience and improve your chances of catching those elusive Pokémon. It might seem tricky at first, but with a few simple techniques, you'll be hitting those excellent throws consistently. We'll cover the basics and then dive into some advanced tips to truly master your throwing technique. Let's get started and boost your Pokémon Go game. The circle lock technique is a game changer for excellent throws. First, hold your Pokéball until the target circle shrinks to its smallest excellent size. Then, release the ball without throwing it. Wait for the Pokémon to perform its attack animation. As the attack animation finishes and the circle reappears, quickly swipe to throw your Pokéball. This method allows you to consistently hit the excellent throw window, making catches much easier and more rewarding. Incorporating curveballs into your excellent throws is highly recommended, as it grants an extra 20 experience points per catch. To throw a curveball, simply spin the Pokéball in a circular motion, either clockwise or counterclockwise before releasing it. For practice, focus on Pokémon with larger catch circles, as they offer a more forgiving target. Consistent practice on various Pokémon will significantly improve your accuracy and timing for excellent throws. For advanced excellent throws, learn to anticipate the Pokémon's movements and adjust your throw accordingly. Some Pokémon are closer, others further, requiring different swipe strengths. Using berries such as a raspberry can also make Pokémon easier to catch, giving you more attempts at that perfect throw. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of excellent throws in no time, catching every Pokémon with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.